Justin, come here. Get them out. Out.
I just don't want
out.
Hey,
out of here.
I'll give my plate.
Get them. Now.
Hey, manager.
Oh, madam, I don't tell you, say if you want to sell rice for here, they wear helmets. Now, I'm not here now. You want to sell rice when they enter rice, you won't keep person for our head. Don't make her talk this thing again, no. Don't make her talk this thing again. Yeah, take, wear am.
The camera so like give me now the rocks.
But wear this one as they sell rice. Okay. Wear am. Make her no come back again, no.
Hey, go take free rice.
I no chop.
Oh my God.
Look at me. Not rich already. My friend, my friend.
Nine more people employ you for here. When I give you car.
My sister, if you see the kind of way they want bid for here, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, semi-detached, detached, 5 bedroom. Nothing they don't get for here.
Swimming pool go there.
Gym there inside. Swimming pool, gym, basketball court, play zone for children. Hey, my customer.
And if you like say this rice market here, they boom.
It dey boom.
Oh, do make me food, make a chop, and I dey hungry since.
Hey, my customer, they come.
They come.
Will you keep quiet?
What do you mean no sabi cook?
You go Mangozi place, go chatter the right now, come put her for cooler, come the sell her for here.
Hey! Think about your life.
Come for me, party.
Life no tough like that.
So you just come, they just allow you start the cooking.
They never ask me anything. Just wake up in the morning, brush my teeth. Pour the water. Begin come here, come sell food.
So which time they come work?
Me, 9 o'clock.
From my pay?
9 o'clock, I don't. You say?
So you don't fill any form, they just allow you start.
They don't even ask me questions. The manager is a good man.
Yeah.
Hey!
Hey, my customer, no vessel.
But now what carry me come here? They don't give me work. Even that, who they beat me, your hand they pin.
Sorry. Which one you want to do for here?
I go carry block. I have people block for house.
You want come bump picking for person estate? You want come bump picking? If you want work, the second estate there for that down side too. That Mobi road side.
Which kind of estate? Now this one.
Go there, they'll give you space.
You don't go give me something okay chop. Even all cheese cook.
Hey, Jesus.
If this up touch you for head, you go crazy.
So you don't give me full pure water. You be me, you too stingy. You don't give me full pure water. You don't give me full pure water. You too stingy. Buy your hot rice here. Hot rice and stew, chill cook. I have cold things.
Which cold things?
What happened? Buy your hot rice here.
Mama, spirit.
You baby, what happened?
What was you doing here?
I am selling rice.
What was you doing here?
I am selling rice.
Where you were sold rice yesterday, now you was came to sold your own rice.
They wrote your name here. They write your name here.
That's why you was questioning me yesterday.
Right, how much own?
That's why you was questioning me. What happened?
Yeah. Leave my market.
Wait, I never chop.
Leave my rice. Leave my rice.
What is going on here? What is all this?
Manager.
What is going on?
I was coming first. My friend was Victoria me and came to sold rice here now.
We don't want this here. We are out now.
How much rice do you want to buy?
Leave my rice.
Get out. Sorry, out. That's it. Come here.
I was coming.
Out.
Everybody can say
out of here.
do let me leave my rice.
Out.
Do let me leave my rice.
Out of here.
Leave my market. Leave my.